National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Evansville to near Orfordville to near Lake Somerset, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, South Beloit, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, Clinton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Avalon, and Cooksville. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is